In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Nova Click on Bullx, Photon, and Axiom, the tool top traders use to dominate meme coin trading. Nova Click is a one-click trading tool that lets you buy and sell instantly while securing better fills, cutting down from 4 clicks to 2. It ensures lightning fast execution, which can mean the difference between getting in early or exiting before a drop. Alright, so to use Nova Click, you'll need an account on Axiom, Bullx, and also Photon. So I'll leave some links in the description below where you can sign up and get a 10% discount on all trading fees for the lifetime of your accounts in Axiom, Bullx, and Photon. And now from there, once you've signed up to all three, you need to go to this website here, click.tradeonnova.io. And then from here, click on the download for Chrome button. Now this is going to redirect you to the Chrome web store. We're going to add the extension. So you're going to add the Nova extension to Chrome. So click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. And now if we go look at extensions, Nova extension should be installed into Google Chrome. Then from here, exit out of there, and then we need to connect our Telegram. So we also need a Telegram account, which I'm assuming you will already have one. So click on connect Telegram. Now it's going to open up Telegram. Now I'm just going to make this a bit larger and easier to see. Then from here, we want to click on the start button. And then it will say user not found. Use the start to get started. So go ahead and type in start. And then it will say welcome to Nova, the fast Telegram bot on Solana, etc. So it will say here have an access code. Enter it below to unlock instant access. Or you can simply wait it out and tap the button below to join the queue and be the first to experience lightning fast transactions. So what I'm going to do is leave a link in the description below with an access code how to join or enter Nova. So go ahead and put in the code here. It's going to be in the description below. And then once you do that, it's going to say congratulations, your access code has been successfully approved. Then we need to click on continue again. And then click on go to menu. Then you want to click onto where it says Nova Click here. And then connect to Nova Click. So go ahead and click on connect and then click on open. Now this is going to open up a web page here. And then we want to connect a wallet. So click on connect. And then it will bring you back here and then click launch Nova Click and then click open. Then success tutorial is you are now connected to Nova. Click got it. And now just escape out of this because we don't need this anymore. And what we can do now is go to our extensions, and here's the Nova extensions. If you want to pin it to make it easier to access, go ahead and pin it like so. And then simply launch it up. So click on Nova extension. At the moment it's disabled, so go ahead and enable it. And now we're inside Nova extension. Then from here, just simply set on your presets according to your needs. So we can set preset buys 1, 2, 5, 10, sells, quick buy amount in Sol, then click save. And now once we go on to any trading pairs inside any one of these three, so if I click on this coin here, this meme coin, you will see the Nova interface. The Nova Click will appear. And it will say switch to sell, switch to buy. If I head back as well, I'll click on another coin. I'm going to do this one here. Then it will say here switch to sell, switch to buy. Same thing if I go to Photon, I'm just going to click on a random meme coin. And again, we got your quick Nova Click's going to be here ready for action. So this works seamlessly on Bullx, Photon, and Axiom. And now there are some important notes and warnings. So there's been a spam attack incident in the past, so Nova was temporarily flagged as scam due to malicious attacks, but this was quickly resolved. But just always double check you're on the official site. And the Bullx cooldown, so Bullx previously warned accounts using Nova Click and imposed cooldowns. This issue has been fixed, but stay aware if you're using Bullx.